In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a footer in Wix. Whether you're building a website for your business or a personal project, having a well-crafted footer can enhance both the functionality and the visual appeal of your site. Footers provide a space for important information and links, so let's dive in and create one together. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard. This is where you can manage all of your site's details and settings. Within the dashboard, you'll notice an option labeled Design Site. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to your website editor where all the creative magic happens. Now, you should be in the Wix website editor where you can see your existing layout. On the left-hand side, there's a toolbar where you'll find the plus button. This is the Add button, which is essential for bringing new elements into your site design. When you click on the Add button, a menu will appear with a variety of options. Here, you'll want to select Strip. Once you've opened the Strip section, scroll down until you see the Classic section. This is where you'll find a variety of footer layouts to choose from. Browse through the options and select the one that best meets your needs for content and style. Once you've picked the perfect layout, drag the strip to the very bottom of your page, which is traditionally where footers are located. This is an excellent opportunity to customize your footer with important links, social media icons, or contact information, ensuring it's both functional and on-brand. If your page already has existing elements like text or images that you want to include in your footer, simply drag them down to the bottom area. Once they're in place, right-click and select Move to Footer to ensure they're incorporated within the footer section. This step not only helps in organizing your page, but also keeps your site looking neat and professional. Once you're satisfied with how your footer looks and feels, it's important to preview your changes. Look for the Preview button at the top of your editor screen. Clicking this will let you see how your footer appears on your live site. If everything looks good, the final step is to publish your changes. Click on the Publish button, and your newly designed footer will be live on your website. And there you have it, a functional and professional footer ready to enhance your Wix site. Remember, a well-designed footer is more than just an afterthought. It's a vital